Ebama akwaba na yama achen na yama barika de sala menim se wagye so ewo fie yama yenuanom muslimifo nyina afinshapa menim se ene gye sonkomu ena akomkyene na chi ene afasha ekoso enne no eye ade a megye se esombo ewo muslimi som no emu eni ntima motrenkwa emamo afinshapa ebra son se yede oman Ghana etoapaso na yedi ho enkomo na enwedwe niema ba kwana mienu ho eno and a friend say Pampaso. In fact, me sheni pebi omu bisa me say Pampaso as a say ya santiment temubro no hwana. Titeno bia na otum fortna se edi asem na ye frɛ ho Pampaso. And inti the King's Court na eba bedi asem na yahwe ensem ahodo a ese se ye dwen ho. Menim se atwa asem bi ato so pen a na entwanto so no kokɔ wie sen. Edo kotum mu ana se wo de no nya uti edidi mu. Ana se nokora na da edi ene. Abranti ani babedi enkomoyi eye taxi driver wono de office wanye adwuma woye sana ne car no obi edi kan de bone ho nkyire a eba no so ene amane a wofa mu ebetumi atome na anamo na esuahunu banyi benya afri saa asemi no ene babedi ho enkomo anopai na yedu bre papa mu nso a ye bia ahoma no ama na wanya kwan atumi abamu bi na odo adwenkyere no enso ede amaye ene nti ebe hyase na yedi enkomo no mede di Kofi Adoma wanwani me producer ene Welbeck Kofi Ampadu mema abusua akwaba pani a wono ene oda C4C ano ewo ha wono se wadi kan aka na bakosem ahye odada se C4C no ankasa kra na kese nyame som adwumaku na bia na kese Campus for Christ wonenam ye emia hodo ne titru schools ahodo mu etwe akra ma awurade eba ne se na ese de na adwuma no edina kwakopie mu ewo eneduafie opani chairmanten wo ha yene no ebedisa enkomo yi na afia hwa branti asem de nam so linka ewo mu awusafo mama kwaba all right udini bio ye
medinde Akwasi Asare
Akwasi di kan bo wasem no mu kire na afi memra opani chairmanten so
me obi a na kumase na mete
okay
na me free afo mem na me driver ni obi din taxi ma me say me fanya adwuma na taxi no me adwuma no the year 2007 no to me tika ma na tech road na police for HAC me but na me so na me say minim de ma ya omo chase me chinchina me nyina na me
car type
Opel Vetra
okay
nti me gina na omo ye de omo tena car no that time community police for no omo me share yellow no I'm going to call take position. Quite and to be my house here, bomb me, men cannot credit, and I'm saying, I'm a dear, my dim de my men cannot credit. Tea almost bomb no more, let me share inside. Coincidentally, Anna CID, you know, I guess I more going to Zongo police station, think I am fam now. And almost said there be case, you know, a woman said, to more police, you know, they may up and down. Oh, my visit did a cheat. Times the boy for kind of mean so or bar be or ECID yeah share and to my atelier no to say sa no mum na one or the asem fa so on fast am ere and be to so ne bia bia twam no obe for car ma me ne nkofo bi we should word be say two at large ama ya robo no age sika ene ne ho ne ma me se me ne mo hwe bomia na o se me ne ho hwe
aye nipa no a no ba ye na bobo ko ebi ne say ofro taxi
me na
ona aye driver na nipa mienu ka ho asa nipa mienu ne de wo mo adwane aye hu wo mo
chinchina me no ya cheme ne de metimi aboa ma ya de si me nim ho hwe di sia de ne bomia
wa ma bre asase me si ye nso anche wanka
oh be kan say the year 206 ni mu twamko
okay
and obe ka kire say say na me so that time na me kai kura na nkuta me nti me nim asama o de to me nim ho hwe nti wasa kofa Nigeria ni bi bai oba how is to school okay university nti oba ya no na ona ne kamblo fu bi na so police station ugina o ya do shema kanta na chi ugina ho a ohu abonten nti ono so be ka say mini na so ni me na ondo ma na koye nti ye sa ma me na o kumase no edin a ode to bia na o se friend Urus edusei nti ono na o ma no chinchina say ode ma robo no ti sia din ye se odem be court ti abusuafo no ba mu na behu no pa na choye no scan wo demand no 15 million abusuan na nya ti pa mo chewa kakra no pay 5 million 2007 pay 5 million de ma sia din no Tini nim say bia case no allegation ntimi enhodu me anan kok ba bia.
Na wo se opa o mo chew bia.
Siadi no na mabusha ma me na mo fa me ba pa siadi ni chewa.
Se o mo pa ni chew
se case na ba ana ono se ohia sika bi asanka bitimi the settlement. Ba na sika na o demand no na so.
O the settlement one.
Ne de ono no asem.
Okay.
Nti
sika no ho chew pa na mo pa.
Na mo pa.
Enya asem no ho chew.
Sika na de ma de am se bia.
No so o je say.
That no so pay 15 million.
Okay.
And
1,500.
Anti amugusu na omso okaka omusasi a amuna 5 million de buy. Tenu mu achi na oba na data na me de to no. Ebe frame to aduane ebre no ka kire me say o yamon pa na bia na sia di na timi ai bibia ai de afa ho. Oh bushafo no kra da o man te won hwe won say e ma kokot. Udi fa na di bim na me se me di bim. Na omoromba de me 3 weeks. Up and down me call na me ba me say lawyer bia say ko fa no so na me say na ska difi ono so entima amwa me nti ska ono so ne ohia no obuso na enya ama no ti up and down na me so me court da fa ko fi nti ba say me court da me so me nim court ho mbla bia na ye dem gina ne say me de me nim asabia o me de ato me nim wo hwe ti e ko ba ne say me de bua me for 21 years. To be jailing me June 5th.
Now charge then.
I'm charge him say my robbery charge on the bomb. Ya nyase kan enya tu ya nyahwe wo me. No me koto afiase. Jailing me 5th June 2009.
Debbie, wo mo kan bre asem ni si ye ne kire. Like time a woman nature say robbery no e course no. Okay, omo body ne kire.
Okay, na obewo proceedings na every fika kan
na sa time na una na twika.
That na me nkuta car. Kan me kuta car no 2007. Emu na nkuta car.
Na ye wa car na say
car na.
Nti asem nyina no nipa na e ne car no oba mu bi.
Ono so mete ono tuatua bitua 200 Ghana e de ma omo na omo de ne car ma no. Skada dan 2 million. Omo de ne car ma no. Na be car me say car ne de nya asem me mum na ya hwehwe me a me na me nya asem.
No, watch your almost say Sabre no na enye wo na na wo twika.
Watch me gina pintin a je say ofa
ko fi. Dem ka wo na betumi a kye nipa na o twika na ka wo na mo matumi atua 2,200,000 Ghana. Am ye ne ka ma no.
Tina aka me na makam. Omo bo me a bo me so simi ne mo hwe.
No, asem we de Dr. Michael Chairman. Empomboko.
Nyame adum bia boko.
Onye lawyer, oye doctor. Nti asemi ya ye kan. Eba ne say na ukopia abrante so.
Yo me dase kofi ma me fa nchia ma eye ahwefo yina. Nya o kan de no kra me nya lawyer, me de doctor Juma. But apart from being a medical homeopath no so, me san ye CEO of a business. Na as a company no ye was social responsibility. Na o share a din C4C boy Juma or my Ghana near Manonia, a Drahoma Campus for Christ. Now, as part of that, near NGO ISC4C Foundation. Now, Enoho Juma and Anamidi in the year 2014, Ewo Cape Coast, Ahomka FM. Now, me can like as in asempa, and me ma motivation message. Ewo that particular. And see normally me ye program ni we are me be phone lines. Okay. The honor na abranti efre through say okasafi say in Sawen prison, Ankafo prison. Ankafo maximum prison ewo Cape Coast. Na as a masem no attach no ni ade. Tina ma ye busy. Ti me catch ni say me we program na on frame me. Nti me we dwumadie no na general because the program was a bit late. Into a friend me enemy di nkomo and I say na on narrate kyerɛ mu on narrate nsɛm ni nia mfa me sunya yie really no na I was really moved is an say na ebia to me pain somewhere around 2008 2009 obi twantro to me so obi a me ankasa me bi adwuma ɛfa no so mɛka ho ne enye adwuma no twantro to me so e ma me koda Nima police cells for 1 month. Na che say cobra de bia court a omunwu asem no ni so they be a cobra science or kai sano as at the time I many no kasana with that jail for 9 solid years.
Wow.
For 9 solid years for that particular issue. Until I took it upon myself, say, Nia, Maye, na many me board of directors, Baye, then there's a lawyers, ni be triaka, na ye be di case in echi, na ye yin with frimuno, who do it. So I've been chasing the case since 2014. Ni lawyer no kumase, inti me who lawyer no, and a lawyer no so sambe share mo on cry ha, and in the mininu dim komosa, ni ye share kwanya. Ye be fast na ye be yi na Fiji already no oma we still in life 9 years is already gone enti me ye biara to a lawyer no ni fees ni ade ho say investigator and graphic do be so mu hu ni file baby a ni file so ni folder ni proceedings baby a won ni ade akodi enti na akwakoye cobra enti always biara no oda prison ho na me no communicate and I feel that ne number no so Emma ne busuafo nte busuafo no so be share me be enemy kasaye na me so me ne lawyer no kasa me amedwuma e form penifo a me nyom ye adwuma so like we all got involved in his case said no matter what no me ye lawyer there but at least ye betumi aboa ne nya lawyer obetumi eyi no because Ghana ha no nsem enko yie really me ankasa experience a menya previous year me copy anima interviews a me ye e won krofo a no mo da ho utie some of the cases na utumu say akoy say famiko bi eni ebi ebusuamu no ene emwa watie
na den say
1500 Ghana
no kra ye to
Ghana had e buy to no kra
to the extent say wonye bone a kakra wo benya atue wonye
kaka wo benya wenye ntua I mean that will be the end of your life. And it's something that is in Africa. Africa hapa. But me nim the case study in Ghana pan there idea in fact Kofi Misuyama many ye ko Abrante can nasem no really na fi dem who dream ye. Until I really took it upon myself. It's about I think about is it somewhere a month ago and omo friend me say Nyame Adom omode no akoko tema lawyer na to me and I say it took me 2 years after meeting him 2014 to get him out of the prison na onye hwe na after the omo judge nti so omo ma verdict no kra na wo hwe ensem na meti so omo kan wo court ho kra judges ni buefu judges no na omo ebuefu state attorney bisa say omo say omo yi enfini record so say he was never jailed.
Wow.
Then I was like, oh, then apart from that he needs a compensation.
Sure.
Because how can you waste somebody's life for now you see no enchenomti so since that time to now no 11 years and a wedi wo ho asem no mo amo share record no bibia hu say there was no evidence, no basis. CID ni bibi keke ope 1,000 Ghana in quantity 10 million ebusuafo entumi enya amanunti necessary you go wasting the life for jail 21 years. And it's a nyanya mena efa foundation no so ne ekopie radio no so ne ekodi djuma and kana che say obese because Michelle lawyer no so de oyena djuma. It's like ebusuafo na prayer omuntumi nya sika no chese utie the lawyer ne kan lawyer no tumu say onya obeboa but be court e dey also be tues can dey file and ground of file case and ne boni ade into then he needed money to push such a case and so to kwan no back Cape Coast obesra no in for Cape Coast sell or call him fan say no cause so he needed money ebusuafo no so mfa ko ebusuani mu a fami koni ni ho so that has become the state. Interno no Nyame Adom ema me di be pie so a
the way forward what compensation so whether it's something where person will be pushy and other angles but because it was it now friend prison Adamo
phone no akwanya bi na ye makwa me nyuso phone prison
me nim se mo nyuso phone
ye wiya ye ho anase ye disie officers for no itiambra omo ho amutim bagye free nsem anombo search na ma fa de ko but akwan be wura ho de mintimi nkire say fine the bar inside road in the meaning.
Okay, na ke say e we bi mo ho a wo pese wo fra
fra obusua bia be blood and the kwan ya fa so ya pia ma wo bia mo bi bitima hia boafo bi kan okra kire no
but then who
but
unim ho ayi ho no say more access to phones e wo prison ho na say e ba ne say e bia obi akọ point obi say e bia we ye kromfo ene ye ne ko tuma obetun ya frɛ ne cruise ama nipa no a oyɛ point no kra no atun ya mo cruise ama yakwa akodi ne bɔne abra nipa ne dem kwadwen bɛyɛ sɛ ɔdam ya kye no enso na watimi afrɛ ebi mu ama mo sɛ mo use phone na
afa kofi mentwa no na me kɔ hɔ 11 years ya me kɔ down hɔ no saa susuɛ ne saa dwen no menua no obi ani saa dwen ne bi wɔ
okay
obi ɔda fiase bia anya no hu
mate sɛ hɔ mo sua mo sɛ wokɔ na yebisa sɛ deɛ na oyɛ yɛ ɔka sɛ o me kɔ wia phone na ya bɔ sɛ a wo wia yɛ wia kɛseɛ ne ya kyerɛw de otumi wia kɛseɛ no wa kyerɛw sɛ deɛ si wia kɛseɛ no yɛsɛ mo sua sɛ deɛ si bɔ master key ɛne nneɛma mo yɛ ebi awo hɔ na ebi awo ho ne saa
ɛnte saa sɛ shops ɛwɔ hɔ a obiti osua adwuma yɛ brassmith or carpenter tailoring shop hɔ nti adwuma yɛ nyinaa ne officers for no ɔmo kyerɛ yɛ do hu wura ebi a nam sɛ me no me yɛ driver di no at times you school hɔ and yes awa sorry ebi a wo group bi ɛyɛ bible study bi a mpɛsɛ mo de mo hu wura sɛ me yɛ sɛ carpenter no me kosua me pie ba me mfa nyɛ adwuma nti abrenya na nyame na me na asena mpɛsɛ me na yɛ ntia hɔ sɛ asɛm yɛ de ato me so no makomam wokan Matthew 5:8 na wɔsɛ yikyira nka ɔno a wakoma mu tie ɔno obi hu awurade ani monyam me ma Akwasi Asare na menim sɛ menyɛ hwee nti na abrenya wɔsɛ me kɔ agya n'anim na me de masɛm to n'anim na ɔnam so a ɔde ma me saka doctor
nti we see 11 years
me pacho
kokɔ no wedding face
na mo 27 years
to say when you say
38 years
life begins at 40 akatu no problem yankeka dia aka nsie ni na yɛhwɛ sɛ at 40 no betumi at the speed bi asan anya dia wahwere no afi sɛ ebre kopa but abusuafo no ba ye sen na akwa o ma me ne abusuafo na wo mo twitwa gye wo no wo mo pa aba at a point ana
ofa kofi o ma pa ba ana afiase so o da hɔ a pa ya obɔ no sɛ bia wonte sɛ obusuani ana wadɔfo bi akam me ma me okɔ nanim kakra abre na abre nyina obata nanim de obedi ne ba bedi odidi a ɔkae me nua na so kae me nua na me firi hɔ no mu susua but nyame adom ba bia sɛ na ɔmo no ɔmo so didi a ɔmo kae me nti yeyi me no ɔmo nyina agye ma wa tu
de ma me ne sɛ o he
e pa cho o ekrum sisi e free afo mem
okay
free go so ana kokɔ
yeah minimum pa na asɛm ne ba ye ne sɛ upie ba ye no ɔmanfo ehu a ɔmo gye o sɛn ana sɛ still ankɔfo hu sɛ ɔyɛ krɔmfo
obi ehu me a mahwɛ mo ho so yi o onyi ni sɛ banya mfie du ba ko afiase ana me si prison no kɔ na pɛsɛ ɔsɛ ya egina so on pɛsɛ ɔbɛsɛ ya egina so
ada pɛsɛ ɔsɛ on pɛsɛ ɔsɛ difference ne den
temptation wo ba bia wiase afa na nyina na prison so temptation wo unua bi betimi atia ona so ana obetimi apemo wan control akoma na akoma na da oyem no wan na botra obetimi ato nsa amo benya abama ne ana sɛ obetimi adidam ebi a wo kɔ no na yɛ mo wani ba obepie no obetimi adi ani ba akopɛ na aba di temptation
na prison on a different world the cry
you obi ha na asoma no ɔhɔ na sɛ yɛ ban yɛ bɛsesa no ɔno waba kyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ no ho gangalia ebi officers for better chance say amen kwa ya bo inside ye wo nua no bi so aye yi o ma o na bo officers for from black coat ya bo inside bia na o na e kan egum enti o ye nipa aboa sebi aboa kokwa na se aboa odwa na wo se no usia abokra na okope ba bia odi ni tibere e beto nti se wonim se bo 11 ana e bo 6 e bo 5 okro kwa obeda me ntwen se Akwasi Asare obi mfa tie ana aba etwa na
nige se eno na ba ya na odi kan akwa dada
dada umpa nwa se se odi betwa no when na botra be ka so no ne prison officer oyo yonko jema ana yonko image nti so beto nza ono se de mra na hye nsem
wo kire se o lawyer na sika na eni ho nti na mo ntumi ampushi nti edi wasem na bra na lawyer enka ho ana
nam doctor so
there be make as time your sentence or
the sentence no ya fa lawyer bi na sika 70 no ntumi on so paba
nti abra ye bua for na lawyer bi eni ho
ye bua for na me lawyer no lawyer ye fa na o file appeal ma me no na o
there be first one as first one
no ni ho
na lawyer bi eni ho
but the original so am ye di jam no ona na wo o court ho
Doc, my memra wakasa oye victim wakwakwada ni mapen we follow this issue does it mean say procedure na ye fa so di asem no mo follow case we no die na mo hu say e ma wako waste all this number of years abra oni masemi hu boni bia
Kofi, in fact me started made the case we you know it really opened my eyes very well. And a sense where eba see me previous experience say eba on my moi ultimate top justice ultimate top for yeah, I mean you can buy justice or freedom in Ghana say open freedom abe to me ato pessoa ube to me jai because o share ni case ni mu na otie their lawyer no document be a lawyer no de be kire me any proceedings be a onyaye every the CID ni ho na che say o shemu a the lawyer himself was like as a basis be a one witness be a any case ni mu omo established that fact from since 2007 no there hasn't been a single witness. Now answer na judge so ubema any I know who's a court proceedings near there at least there must be enough evidence. But senior all can once a sike ni war I would be for a lawyer no na lawyer no aba bejinem no. I'm just praying say you see lawyers no so enye bibia na yeska. You see we need money but sometimes because Kofi I've experienced in a courtroom where somebody was jailed because of one Ghana city. Metumia bokot ni dinia the Accra City campus or
one
Ghana city and wo judge and now say even the CID won't send the panel call a year that particular courtroom no and you could have even pay but because of now your tongue ni fa hu die ama CID ni say manun kotum no matter what no manonye den onko demu munjele no. So that is what is happening in Ghana. If I've never been happy for the past 2 years, anytime I'm meeting a case, anytime so my friend a lawyer now like feedback doc like every time your lawyer in here say we share now the man. Every time there one transfer I say we share now the man because you want to help the innocent person out of that. Me who say winning a juma, you know, apart from being a doctor, no, Oba Presbyter Asafumuso, I'm a senior presbyter of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, and my year evangelism I check into it is a passion. Say really, you know, ube to me I reach it out. Now ode be boa, ye nuanom enyo no nko a o me work case back so a me chase. I started I think it's less than a year now. I also involved Ohene. Ohene be or no oye like ni memo asking like he's a king of the town. Owama teacher ni bia kwako dem. Esan so Ohene no epe student bi e wo teacher ni school no mu. E na no teacher ni hu e na on Ohene no kase se onyi ni nimfi student nto Ohene akwakotua ska e ma ya Jelia branch no e da cell. I mean, at the prisons, you say, I mean, no, Cassie. And you see, my second case, I mean, mediation. Me, lawyer, but me, I think, I dare me with that passion. Me, person, me started my brabo, non-person, me, law. Non-person, me reading human rights law. Into share my background that me, career general arts, I was secondary school. And I feel that me divert here. So, I really am interested in saving the innocent. Because honestly, no, about Ghana, justice, something uni or come for na se uni oboa for na se uni ska period ana me da Nima cells and now make hold those 2007 2008 it was also Enkanami was 2,500 Ghana menya is it 2,000 yeah 2,500 Ghana which is 25 million old cedi menya saskano I also no 21 million 2,100 menya saskano so the whole thing is about money
because sorry abra na woda hono na wo areshimu bi se obepia ansa na wo brena so
na me bompa se na me hu mmobo na onya nuhu so na asempo na asemo no wo didie ene wakoma mfita se wonya ya mse nya me bedi wa asema ma
but still ya we bi mo nya nuhu o mo da so hye ho
wonya nuhu
okwa wo de bi didi nkomo wo tie stories ne bi
edi nkomo ewura dem a ya da no num 5 o'clock ya wadem a edidi ya hu nkomo bi so hwem TV so tie
mo TV
ya hwe so tie FM tie preaching and be news ye ko oman ma na wiase bia kana sem bia kana se bi kro ankofa ha nka we anto no wa metra ha ka we anto no ankofa ba we a ka ma ne sei to say bia nya no hu o de fiase na CID4 ene o nyina ebinom adwuma o mo ye no sika di o manim nti sɛ wo utiranye ye na akohia sɛ CID ni na sɛ nye sika wo di man no mo anya ama na mse fiase na bɔkɔ but sɛ wonya man de am sɛ obesolve bibia wo police samo amode ho
upie baaye no wakɔhwehwɛ okawo na no
menkɔhwɛ
but unya na nka bɔkɔhwɛ no
nka ba bia wo dia ba bia na menim sɛ otompa boa no ne kromi pie kakra na sɛ mani su kyene me se me ko ha che kakra
ada opia no ene suchino
fa se fa ko fisa na me ka no se ba bia na me ko ne bia menim se fie osi a me ba no bia yabu ese bia abansuru bia na abrosan na esi ho nti na me so ba bia ma kwa ba me se me nante anadwo bre ana me chinchini ase bre o kroma na bibisa
na ke se waje HD onye hwe o
de ka majama asem nyina manyame se na me so omoame de ma hwere bia na urade nhyema nam enwom no na wo kan Psalm 37 verse 23 aye nwom ati aduasan so yimu aduonum yensa urade na odi onipa anamo sisie na no kwan dai aso nani nti abrana bre ya me bompa se urade fam anamo ye dai sisie
te urade na tutu anamo ndo ko prison
ebetima ba se bia ntwato so mo de tu mi so ebi so amankwa ofa kofi ka bitimewu bia me kutaka ka bitimewu
sanse mo ya mo de chichimo real Ghana asembia ba o jamen ka nyame nanim and ama ebi mo form ho di people continue to
as
enya ya o Ghana de obey fama nyame people should be really people should face because say CID be na share that negligence say ya judge be na tena say share that secondem when we see number of years
there be just even a month ago on the day of verdict judges any lawyers any prosecutors ni aje atum say or you innocent it's not the only compensation amode be man say mu be yin fi criminal records mu say the one he was never jailed is that the only compensation like send over to me send a ba over to me aha ye refi ni records so send ya so okopa aban adwuma send over to me enya ko okopa aban adwuma na say you have criminal records yeah we jail that wunya it is that record na no mo ye free no so and that is not enough compensation waste in it say well that 11 years has not been compensated for
no because you can say we na serious so for manyame no mo dey say o man you
go for motivation C4 ye the man say once or your driver really no through that no benya me dem make say me fight onya ba me finance me personal driver okay to do oba Ghana sorry oba omu yi ni free mu a oba ye no a me ni ha no and quickly me man C4 fa no okay omo sign eko pet diamond no CC mu just to get him established send obe to me any kind of fresh life na wa koneni because all hope is not but still no yeah for lawyers are you press case because we want to really strengthen the NGO aspect of this humanitarian rights idea a cost are really and yeah fama nyame no it is there say there is nothing new under this sun dear and a bibia nye foforo but as I say also to me who say nyame ama yansa we work say for man nyame and ko bi yare and ko bi mba hospital we yare and there's no need to come to the hospital you just have to pray and pray say pray and anjiwa then na wo sure and nti ne yankopon so me I see health also as ministry nti ninia eka ho say utumi take the right step na media for ne ahwefo omo hwe yen kwanya omo befa so na omo de aboa na yetumi aboa abrantie na wetumi at least edu baby ewo na brabom no say yetumi eboa honestly
yegusu di nkomo na asem no odwen bi ho a asa Africa no ye problem seriously say ye science na ye reorient ye ho ewo ye nyame som ene fama nyame ahodo ne bi amase so bitumi di bone no afa ne ho adi free say police ni ya wo share dabo apa say sika no wagi yo say sika no wanya nti o ma edne kotumi wenim say Ghana de fama nyame nti no ye gemu amaka but people should really face bone a wombedi no yes nyame na areto wono de sa na ye ka enso no say mra no so ye adwuma otie wo nua no mu bi no wo afutuo bi edema wo mu a edi asem ye investigations ewo Ghana ha anka de na be kan kire wo after listening to nua no mu bi a wo mu ewo enedua fie ho ene de ato wo mu ene wo ankasa situation ni
asema o be kan se ofakofi obu ha abusuan ofiri mu na enne bi abusuan be ton asase kakra on be pe kan no ma no makofa lawyer no obe fale api no obe kono utranya no so omotwam ebia o se odi bi wura no ana se lawyer sika no kra no wantima ntu anwie di lawyer ground so ana no mo asemo trefa eye nwa no bi hu no bokwa ko gina jaja ni mu no se wanya favor basa na mani pa no bo ya man 50 years ni a charge no robbery so na ya chene ya nyatu ya man 100 years 60 70 min mo bi okofa 30 Ghana so na komade no ana hu se ba no yi free mo odko ya chene no mo charge no robbery man 60 years awo sisi
oh 30 Ghana no ya robbery
o se ni para ba complainant no chene se bag ne sen no no wo yire no ono so na kuma abrena brenya okasa 300,000 yen bebe ama bewie ama 60 years awodam sisi ye yenwan bi so ambo ye foreigners bi mu 50 years bi mu 55 70
ade
si adi foreign na be twensam bebre afa ho se be be chichiro na onya kamafo ono wa che ono bibia asem nyina no si adi na eniti nti se wo benya freedom a si adi wonya freedom a se wo be kokoto a si adi won kokoto a si adi nti ono no ya ade a ebe chichiro nsa ene onan na wonya nyina so no kwa
innocent nipa e wo ni de funeral
do so pa na me de befa ya mampanyin so nana se mesre no makohu bi inu mo gu afiase no adidie mu enye enam nye nipa bre obi gina ho ma de chi ansa na obi so abeda na obi so atena se se bia hye nipa se sadi ana se pick up titru Kumasi Central Prison
ade hot wada ho
hono na me wo
okay
ana transfer de me call anka for mazimo nipa ehuna mane na ebitima ye remission bi se bia obetimi ne mpanifo until minister and prison director shia na neduafo no so bia se obi twa 50 years na ebete so amane 10 years kura na 15 years a mi se send pa no de kakra famu no sua bibia mi se oba bibi pa bi tima firi no aba a obeda ho asai yenwan bebre yale bebre wu na basa na ya how abeda prison officers for so na abaye pressure bi ene hwembo ne ntokasem abeda yenso a yenwan mu a omo afiase no ade anya bufo kura na ne buofu oho kano komodie mu kura timi den ntokwa because odan dan nyina woni happy woni anigye o arehu mu tie abrena abrena de kotua bi wan hye no so pe na okoten nsa na sa kofa semfo fra abreno so bi ni mo bi ana oda ho obo no 45 years na de ma no 45 years ejeri no ono obi prepare akunya ho nipa so de akunya babo no oje akunya na firi ni sam ya ma na 15 years aka ho de ne kokota ise sai nipa no how no so be hu e wa fiase no
Sandy me yeah say what the prison hono ayi to me Sandy be sign
emra no bebre ho ti o committee o momra no dia eno dia order for no take home decision
no de bia ka
na say o mo do be court ti o mo do court na say court jawo a wa jawo
na onkrata na ye say yira aye no e ba ne say ye say nye asemi sifo si ne follow ya
anka proceedings no offer say o be ya pi na o sha se court say o pese abusuafo na adofo de odu anim enkwaji papers no mrewa register sa mo ya eduma court no ana mo fabre na o my Ghana so bibia yesikasem nti o kwa ha na abotre hu yehwehwe kwa aka ye kwa hene ye kwa docket no go na se bibia nti o so nyina obi na abotre a odi o case ne akire nti me junior brother baako we mu a doctor so wedi ha nti ono ye kakra na se o me so onfa 600 mbra 6 million sikadada no na mo de people na mai to mo de mai we ansana ye de ko share lawyer mi se
ye ton nokre say we are say nokre no asa aye for sale ye be phone lines ne kakra na asan aba studio nokre ne me nim say doc abroche nyina na say Ghana nkwana nokre
no abroche won't abroche de won't me ton nokre no abroche na mbra enya ade a obi be bia 20 euro no obi ade bia another 20 euro account say bia to 40 euro near no sa na ete and you see all these people like yempeni for near they travel baby cry go school abroche baby atina abroche so I don't really know me who say according to be brain na ye to know boa bempa na ye de back e de boa yankasa ye mind in our leadership because eba ne ye kan na justice ewo oman Ghana ha no e na ya tochim human rights law ye ka human rights law even the human rights law no bebre no their rights are being abused bebre inte eniama esese ye tumi ehwe na ye follow eboa no aya ye lose focus on that na ye share the other aspect. I believe so on my Ghana eboa the innocent in the country and kebe to me aboa ma Ghana so ya fa yento ma pay for because won to me enye niam bi say ewo Europe
me hear kwasi how many people are bitter ewo prisons no fi say ohwe na asem no eyentwato so ohwe na asem no se de ekọ no ohunu se wonye hwe ye de ato no so obi ahyeda ahyehye ne pepepe ama ye mia no de no kwa in fact na me ne CIDB AD enkomo na ye kan ne se Kofi ya na court no ya de na ya anye nokro ne hwehwe o ya danse eninti no nokro no nko na afi your evidence how de baba enso enko but in this case no ye fa nokro kra nto nchen adanse a na ewo we ho ne ye den why anyway 0302211701 0302211701 and answer 702 and answer 703 and answer 704 obetumi afre na waka ye nkomo a ye di ho 0302211701 702 703 704 obetumi afre mu bia na waba na wajoin ye wo nkomo kwasi e obi mu nso a wo mu di yawo na eyawo no woni mu ohwe ntwato so no se de level na tie no ana se senate
ofa bebredi yawo se asam na wonim se onye ebi ne medie si adi ndi se mene nkofo wi awrobo obi agye di sika na neoma menye hwe echem wanya tuo ana yakase we exhibit A ana exhibit B sekan bread bibia na so
mame fa ga tomra na afi mensamra so meni am achem wakwaba
Kofi mejo so Kofi na ga chodi kwate na kase free.
Okay, da choka sa.
So pede no pede ma mo bari karasara.
Ni bari kakade.
Kofi na dia mede to aso ne se minia no wonka na kuma antini yem. Nyame na onim dia ya bibia na se de osankafo ese no. But me ma ne mfa ne nsa ense ne demri from the me tu ne fo aka se on try share obete bia ye. Nyame setena no toma na mo eni ho bi ba on sa so bi mu a na nyame bɔ hyɛ a wahyɛ fa ho na mɛnu ayɛ den Adom nti nyame no nim kwampa a ɔde ne brada no ɛbɛfa so na ni ayɛ wo bebree oni obi a ɔbɛtete ne werɛ ɔntrae sɛ ɔno abɛtete ne werɛ ɔntrae sɛ ɔno abɛma n'ani ayɛ den agye ne ho ɔkae deɛ asi bebree na bi baabi a ɛyɛ deɛ ɛma deɛ ɔwɔ anim no wohunu batɛn deɛ wode fi ne tiri mu a ɛbɛyɛ den sɛ wobɛkɔ w'anim nti anɔpɛ deɛ ma me ntia me nua baako Mohammed a ɔpere regional youth organizer me ma dae Asara na nyakopɔ ɛkyerɛ mu nyinaa meda mo ase
mesɛ meda ase fi ma memfa Michael ɛntoa so Michael wote yɛnka yɛ mo akye mo akɔba
morning no brako finampom
nyame da so hyia yɛ Michael yɛntie o
meda ne adwuma pa a woyɛ nyame bɛhyira wo mebree
ɛhyɛ
na papa na me nua na ɔte hɔ no nso no mesrɛ sɛ ɔman sɛ ɛbɛtumi aboa momyɛ nyinaa yɛmmoa na ɔmfa no ntoma akɔmfrɛ because wohwɛ ɔhaw a wakɔ mu a ɛɛya wohwɛ a nnipa mebree wɔ prison a yɛde ntoro ato ɔmo so a ɔmo ni kamafoɔ na ɔmo akɔka mu afiase na yɛ na mebusa sɛ saa ministries of justice ne saa human rights ne adeadeɛ no ɛyɛ adwuma bɛn paa na ɔmo yɛ adwuma bɛn paa na ɔmo yɛ nti ɛno ano sɛ ɔmo agye sɛ wonni abusuani papa bi obɛtumi adi w'anim a na te sɛ nka wokɔ yi nkɛnoa no kɔfo mebree abrabɔ sɛ mɛsrɛ abɛn sɛ ne ɔbɛte ministry bi kɔ ɔmbɛhwɛ saa prison daduafoɔ no a ɔmo nhwɛ na nka every week biara ne yɛmpɛ nkɔfo mbɛkɔ for visit na nka yɛnti ɔmo anum asɛm na innocent ones na ɛwɔ mu no yɛfɔ kwan bi so ne yɛmmoa because ɔmo yɛ nnuanom ɔmo yɛ abusuafoɔ yɛne ɔmo a na akyikyiri ɔma yi ɛnyɛ fɛ sɛ biribiara na nkɔfo ma akɔka aduane mu saa because ɛfie nyɛ nti mɛsrɛ mebree meda ase
mesɛ meda ase pi ma memfa Romeo ɛntoa so Romeo wote yɛnka yɛ mo akye amo akɔba
ɛjɛ so kofi
me nua kasa
kofi ɛnyɛ Ghanafoɔ no panifoɔ na ebi anim ne alɔyafoɔ kamu yɛ human rights lawyers mo na nka wɔ sɛ ɔmo boa yɛn ayɛ de bi nanso ɔmo no wo na yɛ ɔmo agente sɛ wodi sika a ɔyɛ dan ɔmo bɛmo akɔ fiase nka ɔmo bɛkɔ ama yɛ na ɔmo mom na agyi sika ansa na ɔmo akɔ ama yɛ de ase kofi de bi ɛyɛ so hiafo yɛbɛkɔ afiase o nanso memfa ayi ma no mɛkyerɛ me nyanso akyekyere ne werɛ na ɔmfa case ne nkyɛ sɛ nyame bɛyɛ nea wɔ so ɔdi no ɔmundi mfirim na nipa no a ɔma ne kɔ aseɛ no hunu sɛ onipa bi no bɔne aso so bɔne aso na ɛnso bɛtua wo ka
meda ase pi ma memfa Benjamin ɛntoa so Ben yɛ mo akye Ben tie wɔ phone no so mentie wɔ TV no so Ben yɛ mo akɔba
hello
Ben yɛ mo akɔba
sama ya eja mini ameda mase na mi som ne adwuma fa mo yɛ wan
yo yɛntie o mene
ya eja me pacho the same yi be ma face be hey me no mo e kasa ma face be na de ka no say ya na Ghana ha ho ye ka no sikato no kra ye ni ti say Ministry of Justice ne Attorney General na ya tena e de no mo ye e ti ye say judge na say lawyer wu a ye de ye butu no they are calling themselves justices. They are not doing the justices in Yama. Not as a mother, every come and every court room, no, you in judgment, I guess, no, yes. I didn't you want my judgment, you want my judgment, by I am wrong. I was going to my lord, and I want what you are calling yourself my lord. What was so? No move the jacket and Yankopon as a set every tray warm. So that's on the first of
that's my memfa Mighty ɛntoa so Mighty yɛ mo akɔba
yeah
Mighty wo frɛ na kasa
yeah they are semi I'm the best na me first person come a doctor na the doctor anga so be sha say can be say money the root of all evil and I make out my say
there be onye money o kwan yɛ fa so pɛ no ɛna yɛ root sika ne deɛ fine pa
na ham feel no say money is the root of all evil no say ye eja shelo mu sana it means say and then when do how me corrupt because the name of that situation is the senka like it's me eja na to prison what you say in fact it's me if the master say we are diminishing the status of the Ghana law what you say
okay let us say ma memfa upon entwa so eja pon ye mo ache
my person my contribute kaka I realize that papa on the case and they're very sad but I think say you care about human rights abuser. It's everywhere. Okay, all the civil servant places near the corruption is very high. Just imagine that me, my person register for GRA certificate, and I say be for VAT. Now, especially the interest cancer, the amount. Me pay like bill, meter, no matter what you bill. Then I buy more. If you want to be to my course on the year, especially me to yeska. It's very bad. Just imagine say we when your case. What I say, yeah, in such a way, okay. The only compensation is between the one and say, yeah, writing off, so we need criminal record BR. Now, what mom will be always to be done for 11 good years. No, what in a fiasco or Babakia, instead of the compensating the right way, no man, what we need and out the shading mono. All deciding the air day, and they come up. That is what many of you. And I think Sapapano, and this ought not to cut in young coupon bear. I was sorry day, and Brano, 18 a year to month. Because Europe, your Kofubu have monitors those who monitor us. So I said, no be on Kodia. I was saying, you body panica because minimum be in a jail for about 25 years. I year compensating loan about $200,000. If you correct, you be about 2 million, 3 million. Based on the case.
I'm in Peter and Twasso. Peter, I am watching.
Yeah, I like to see Johnson.
You're over
yeah, because I'm afraid to go now. There, maybe I'm coming within a person make a yeah. Oh my, I will with it. Dear Coswana, no, me, I got a miniatumala case. I will do well. Nah, oh, your call police station, Hormono. Because when you call police station, you'll be declining. Go catch the gamma, I catch it will be say, catch Mobingo police station on cafe. What they, Obika, what the car. Or more news are someone, I catch someone near police assembly. But still, once it involves money, police no obey the obey case nemo, or one cast them black show munsem, or be real round, or be detained. But they no clearly say there was civil case, there was criminal case. But once said, Sikasem Yabe pay, or something minimum. Our person, but later, Obia. Yet, you can't say in a way. I'm a sick as yes, a sican. As was independent couple letter, or uncle letter say, stealing. Now, so what? How? Stealing, then am I heading? Mapacobia. I say, they or say, defrauding by false pretense. Independent couple cat has any day. Emla. Make I say, I'm missing no. Now, Obi, now the cancer. I don't go with him. One got away, moody away, and walker. I said, yeah, or moon some walker. But,
let us see. Kobe, I'm watching. Kobe, free enough for you.
Free, come out.
Okay.
Mr. Cho, Kofiamin Shaw, or a Jama Pam, or your boy Ghana. So, would see me and some more car, in fact, Barry Ho. Now, Oshe, or Maya, Timua, a bra, and a criti asa. I'm a Jim who be Brianna and Chelsea, say, intimate and fan of cray and Yajuma. Sisi I did need me a body trim at the assembly train young Kunipa. No codesias now on sofa. So, when you know a ma and a credier and lady, Okokotua, and you so could cheska, and to a moment to an omajuma for my pa, and say, Obi Kotna, ya buying to me for Obi, spending a lot of money on that person. Send me beya, any panabaya juma padia boy or minor. Amano credi about my na Fahudie and any day about Biabra Boom. Else will be to make snappy, no attention will be sat, no Jessica. Now what tongue and no cray, I will be one quatrema. Many are not on a catch and say, oh my, he should encourage himself and also work hard. Now, on prove and crop for or more years are no wrong. And in saying I may be shedding when we are Medasico.
Also, that's CP, young far for no NC na. Yentra yenkoma yedin so you know what you say people are getting fed up with this family it got into a time also for penny otabel and a can I was say a ka ono nko an ke me prisons na kase nipa ne ye ya na edna kotum ne atwena so we ya ne atwena so we ya ne atwena so ebe ma ne ma asesa but I say oh yeah oh obeja ya che Ghana for suban and a DNA. Look, only need say a do level no.
I think it's gotten to that level, and they are no cry. It do sir and Brenner say you to me a take action. Say Ghana they kasao. I mean, I mean, say Yeah, to me kasapan, but the action, no, yeah, that's what we lacking. Yeah, can't, but yeah, to me, indeed, yeah, can so. Because embrane there, all kind constitution, no, all kind of various laws on yeah, you realize that things are very clear. Anchor, and he said there should be any kind of contradiction. Yen to me indeed near no so. Unlike the Western world in Europe, say what is written is written. Just like the Bible, what is written is written. But Ghana, we also have what is written, but the implementation, no, a problem. And only idea, I pray, Senka, yempenifoa, or more at various institutions, and only idea, Attorney General, ne, Chief Justice, and young Kasa Mampeni President, or no Kasa a legal person, ni we on fa nembre and satra legal system ni mu ansana we si form.
Obi send a message says here, Nana Obi say, why Kofi has the man stop his homeopathy. See for see no, and then come I didn't know. Obi says I don't have a giant. See for see that's all.
Yeah, that's all. See for see that's all.
And we need another branch of it.
Yeah, we need another branch of it. And say enya de bia na ye ba betina TV so akasafa we so ya yaresa. Unze homeopathy and the medical field no as WHO eka say si eka say apomudin enye se bia wako hospital near se wo malaria and say wo diabetes and say but a whole totality of man. We count the mental, the social, your environment, the psychological and all that and form apomudin. And the social aspect, you know, because near you fame say basically no bitterness. Bitterness able to me.
But what is new with C4C?
Oh, Nyame Adom o share baby a yakwa kodu ewo yen edwumani mu a unse basically no enka first no oba empenifoni ade umomo edra bi a everyone are say obefa edro na untumi bi every 30 minutes obo okọ especially honorable sinibi na wote parliament house kakra na bia ordinity na say osepe nedro kakra ne ade but see all the branches in Ghana no the Germany aba Ghana yasesa all the system ni mu okwa various homeopathic pharmaceutical products tablet intend a normal orthodox system no just it is still homeopathy send the anapa and say wofa tablet mienu ewia na say wofa mienu anase nimbre ukoda sa one system ni 30 minute system no and existed was C4C biome. I wish since its inception I introduced it recently no it's even working more faster in terms of the treatment and the pandia injections are hodwo and also it's all from Germany in terms of the condition be no your whole injection in terms of the banners ye was some there say yeah ma yen tablets near there na ye sign our pandia account work it faster. Niniano, it is in the quite say yebema apomudin akoyie ewo oman Ghana na eba homeopathic pharmaceuticals so adedi and that is what is new ewo C4C homeopathic international ne ekoso wa hano sa na ekoso wa Amsterdam sa so na ekoso ewo Germany UK for meba Milton Keynes e bie kese pan so ewo Milton Keynes UK for so bubenya mo chefa nti ade a ye no in that level nti se wo ba ubetumi afa apomudin mu na yetumi aboa na we are a specialized hospital eba yare a eye cranko eno na yehwe chronic
normal
say area what try herbal I try orthodox what try kind of all therapies near there and ye into me enko near there eho no na Nyame Adom C4C yebe mu nti eba chronic case any acute so acute and chronic disease specialist eho no na Nyame Adom uba Amsterdam abontin so adanse bebre se na ekoso Ghana ha oti radio so TV so na obi afro say oh C4C4 there omo ndro no eboa like to make sure ye now so omenu ma bo it's same thing everywhere idea ye bomodin say ye betumi aboa na apomudin so etumi akoso na nipa afa ne ntoma pa efria Kofi ma memfa we ento just nyame ya adoma kwisia de be ye asida kese oba me ne menua SP Kofi Sapon any gift your say any Dina Hammond evangelist evangelist NS Ado yakaye ho abomu a Sunday Presbyterian Church of Ghana Mamprobi 4 p.m. asida kese say and the ejidi for da nyamiase with a conditional clause. Se answer na obun so bi da nyamiase no na ase nyamia ye bibia ma no into a pese oka, but we are giving a different version of it. Say you thank God and you worship God unconditionally. Uyi wakumemu eda nyamiase a wankasa say unya bibi potse, but ubeji atum say once wada asore na enkwa ewo wo mu de there's a need say ubeda nyamia say ebeye full of miracles, ebeye full of insentrene uba beto the different version of Dr. Trematin ewo ho uba beto menua Kofi Sapon ho mini gift your say any Dino Hammond ne evangelist NS Ado nti munhia yen ene yenue so ebeba ho ye hwede nyame aye amano so a edoso a ono so oba bedi ho adanse kese nti ye tonsa Afrigana fo yina se mommeka me ho ene Kofi Sapon ho ene yen adjuntofo kese na yembeda nyame ase ewo Presbyterian Church of Ghana Mamprobi Mamprobi Presbyterian Church of Ghana 4 p.m. kosia de ya na yen tontom nyame na yen hwede nyame so ebe pie ewo eho.
Which is just this coming.
Yeah, this coming Sunday, 4 p.m. Yeah,
Sunday date by 26.
That 26. Yeah, 26. Okay. 4 p.m. Presbyterian Church of Ghana Mamprobi and the oba betie in sem nia Kofi Sapon FM nia misumi femu amaba be pie baby am pie eni mi ko Europe kra no nia mi ko femu ewo Europe, you know, to every place and to every glory no you pay a price for. Baby, I make say if you are not tested, there's nothing like a testimony for you. So to every glory, you must be able to pay because Yesu answer na onya a ding above all names, he paid a price for. And say yeah, fret se Ghana for ina mumra na mumbetie na mumbehwe na mumbe experience na answer na Sunday will be through hono na wa yenshira.
See for see, much kwan ne mo number na afi yemie.
Maybe show me that say see for see Europe your Amsterdam diving dress card 82 and the mo Europe no Belgium for amoba, Canada for amoba menchen, UK for amoba menchen, and France for amoba menchen, omo ina Europe for ina any omo outside Europe no. Germany any Germany your Colonnade 5 banner for her. Ena Amsterdam so ye wo diving dress card 82 ye ba oman Ghana ha mame ye wo branches wo Ghana ha region bia Koforidua Eastern region Koforidua Ashanti region ye wo Kumasi inti region bia no mintumi mbobo ba region bia no ye wo C4C Ayarsabia wo ho ye hwe se esese wutu anamon men tu anamon emra we hu se honam ne mu ayembre a wutofom no but sambre a honam no den a honam ayembre no na se wutu anamo ye the holiday akonyan see ho say mo the first 100 people me the numbers ba ko pe to janti first 100 people am be free number no ye be ma mo special package now the bra for a special screening number is 05000 40328 05000
5000 5000
yeah 05000 40328 05000 40328 into friend now ne impenifo edim koma eba wapomudin dia yen areas of specialization na yabwa.
Dr. Michael Tremantin and Akwasi Ebeda Masepa some the kind of made Kofi Adoma when we producer and Welbeck Kofi Ampedu. Yamamunina Afinsha Payet to any animals for Emamunina Barricade Sala Yakra.